single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my...
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ujvbeauty. If this is your first time of seeing me or tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so you're the first person to get notified when I upload my new videos. And for those of you, my UJV lovers, thank you for keeping up with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your beautiful comments. I do see them. I appreciate you. Thank you. So today I'll be talking about concealer, and concealer is a makeup product. For those of you that don't know, I just launched my makeup collection. In my makeup collection, I have two different types of collection, which is the foundation and the concealer. And a lot of people don't know what concealer is about. They don't really know how to go about it, what concealer is used for. So it is my duty as a producer, as a beauty consultant, to make you beautiful ladies to understand and to know how to make use of concealer. So that is what I'll be talking about today. For those of you that don't know me, I am the owner of Ujvbeauty, and Ujvbeauty is a brand. It is made up of hair. I have my hair collection, which is the Ujv luxury hair. I have my lashes collection, which is lashes by Ujv, and my cosmetic line, which is the Ujv foundation and the Ujv concealer. So that is what I'll be talking about today. For you to know more about my products, kindly go follow me on Instagram, Ujvbeauty, Ujv_cosmetic_, or go check us out on our Facebook page, Ujvbeauty. And you can go check out my website for more options. We have different products. Who knows, you might find something you like for yourself or for your loved ones. So go support the sis, patronize me so we'll keep growing. So as I said, today we'll be talking about concealer. Concealer is a makeup and it is used to define and mostly the eyebrows. As you can see, you see my eyebrow here, you see the highlight. So concealer is used to give your eyebrows highlight. And this is my concealer here. This is a brown color or dark color. This is your perfect concealer, brown color like me, brown beauties. And if you're that person that have really dark skin, Ujv Concealer Deep Bronze is your concealer shade, and it is used to define your eyebrows, give it highlight. That means you have to apply it on the top, fine, beautiful highlight. The other function of a concealer, you can use concealer to cover, those dark pores on our face. You can use concealer to cover dark pores on your face. That is the second function of a concealer. And there are some people, they normally have this eye bag. They call it eye bag. For people that don't really have enough sleep or enough rest, they tend to have this dark bag under their eyes here. So concealer also have the function of corrector. They call it corrector. That means you can use concealer to cover the eye bag. If you are one of those beautiful ladies that have this eye bag here under your eyes, you can use concealer to cover it. You have to apply the concealer first of all and use this a blending brush to blend it before you apply your makeup. You can also use concealer for blemishes. I think that's how they call it. There's a black blemishes on your face. You can use concealer to cover them up. And you can also use concealer to give yourself a highlight. As you all know, we have this T-zone on our face. The T-zone, which is here, your nose here, and here, your cheek, your forehead here, and here, your cheek here, and your chin. I think that's what they call it, if I'm not mistaken. And yes, you can use concealer to define your face and give your face this, gorgeous, straight nose, just like my own, So you can use concealer to define your T-zone. As I said here, your forehead. That means you have to apply some concealer here. You apply it under your eyes. That means this eye bag here, you apply it. You apply the concealer also here. You can also give yourself the long T-zone here. Just apply your concealer here and blend it, and it will come out looking really perfectly. Actually, I am not a professional makeup artist, but as somebody that have been into beauty for a long time, and as a beauty consultant for over 16 years, I do try my best to do my makeup. Concealer is very effective. As I said earlier on, what you can use concealer to do, it has so multi-functions, so every woman need a concealer in a makeup collection. I tell you, sis, you need it, go get one. Go check us out on Instagram, or go to my website, go grab a pair of concealer, and I promise you, you will enjoy it, you will love it, because we have the best products so far. So that is it for today. I hope I was able to make sense. If there's any other function you think that concealer can do that I forgot to mention in this video, if you're a makeup artist or somebody that is a professional, or you are good at doing makeup, kindly drop a comment on the comment section. Give us your feedback so other people can learn from it and make good use of concealer, because I think every woman needs a concealer in her makeup collection. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and to click on the notification bell so continue to make such beautiful video for you guys. Have a nice day. One love.